mixed them all together. Okay, give her a push.
No, I want you to hold on to the other one.
Okay, I'm holding. Okay, go. Push it.
Push.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All but one. Good job. Oh, just missed the strike. Going for the spare. No, bad. Very bad. Not good. All right, there it goes.
Sounds lumpy, bumpy. Oh, come on, hit it, hit it. Aw, shucks.
You ready, buddy? Don't hurt yourself. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Take your bounce. Not bad. Not bad. Are you ready? Here it goes. Oh, bad throw. Clean up. Clean up. Got it. Doesn't that fit? You don't fit in there? Come on, you guys all fit, right?
No, it's bothering me.
Man, your treats look good. I think I needed to collect some daddy tax. You guys know what the daddy tax is, right? It's because I'm your dad, I get some of your treats. That fair? No? Why not?
I'm making a dog.
Without me, you wouldn't have treats. Stunt devils need regular chiropractic adjustments.
No.
Mini Stubbs getting adjusted by Grandpa Stubbs. What is he doing?
Give me a jump mitt.
A jump mitt? That feel good? Yeah? Cool. I'm next. Me next, me next.
Oh. Okay, give me do it again.
Inspector Daddy's coming to check rooms. Is your room ready? Ready for inspection? Okay, open her up. Let's see this clean room. Let's see it.